Hi, I'm Kiranmai Madupu. I'm an engineer by education and a Bharatanatyam dancer by profession, but currently I'm sharpening my mom's skills owing to my 9-month-old. While I was pregnant, I constantly felt responsible for the kind of world I was bringing this new life into. Every Amazon delivery, every Swiggy order, every plastic cover given at the supermarket, even a wasted straw after downing a coconut cooler, I constantly was questioning all my choices. Although I tried, I think that it really took me, or for that matter, all of us, a worldwide pandemic to understand that cutting down on consumption is the only way to save the earth. While I understand that cutting down consumption is very tough, not just for us but also for the economies and for the world that we've created for ourselves, upcycling or repurposing old stuff is definitely a plus in this war against world pollution. If you look around the house and put your mind to it, there are really like a million things that you can recycle or upcycle, and it's easy on the environment. Some of the things that you can find around your house that you can use to upcycle or repurpose would be something as simple as old plastic covers, Amazon delivery boxes, old tins, lids, bottles, you name it.